Hello guys, Rob here. In this one we're going to walk through how to sell your Rex and withdraw those EOS from the Rex fund back into your own wallet. Now I know this is probably easy for a lot of you out there, but it's important to make it easy for new people coming into EOS and those people that don't fully understand EOS. Make it easy for them to do these things on EOS, thus leading to greater adoption and making it easier for adoption to happen with these simple quick how-to videos. So we would appreciate a like on this video. All the support you guys give is amazing. So for this we're going to be using the EOS Authority Rex portal and scatter. This is at eosauthority.com/Rex, and of course we are already logged into our scatter. And when you go to this site, this is the page you will get dropped to, the Get Rex tab, the same page we started off on our how to Rex using scatter in EOS Authority. So if you have already used EOS Authority's Rex portal, up here at the top you'll be able to find your account. If not, you can always add your account in here using scatter, a hardware wallet, a mobile wallet, any of these to choose from. We're using scatter, but our account is already in here, so we are going to click on the account we want to withdraw from Rex. So that is the Send EOS to CML account for this example. And once you click your account, that pulls up your Rex info for this account. So here you can see the fully matured Rex balance. I have 1,000 Rex fully matured, ready to be withdrawn. But my total balance here is 2,000 Rex, and that is because I have 999 staked in savings. If you do have all your Rex in savings, or you want to remove the Rex from savings and sell them, you will have to unstake your Rex from savings, put in the amount you want to unstake, and this starts that 4 to 5 day period of maturing. So you will have to wait 4 to 5 days for these staked Rex in savings to be moved into your fully matured Rex. Only fully matured Rex can be sold and EOS withdrawn. So I'm going to sell these 1,000 Rex I have that are fully matured, and there is the Sell Rex section here, or the Sell Rex button right next to that fully matured Rex. The Sell Rex button, put in the amount of Rex you want and hit sell. That starts the process, but I'm going to use the Sell Rex section right here. Rex I want to sell the max amount of Rex, 1,000.7307. That is my full mature balance there. And this will net me 0.1001 EOS approximately for selling those 1,000.7307 Rex. So simply click Sell Rex and wait for EOS Authority to work its magic and your scatter to pop up. Now of course you do need to already be logged into your scatter, and there we go, scatter pops up. So make sure everything's correct. Send EOS to CML, yes, that is the account I want to be on. EOSIO, we're selling Rex, selling those 1,000.73 Rex, yes, that's what I want. Click allow. There we go, we have transaction success. Now you might have to give this a minute until the transaction is irreversible. You can see here this 12:03:56 p.m. on May 17th is those 1,000 Rex I just sold, but as you can see, the EOS automatically did not get deposited into my account. So where those EOS are going, they're going to the Rex account. So the next step is to withdraw those EOS from the Rex account into your own wallet. So I'm going to give a click over to Rex Dashboard and a click back here to Get Rex to see if the pop-up has occurred. Nope. So what we're waiting for here is under the fully matured Rex section here, there will be a Rex funds that pops up below it where you can withdraw those EOS. Just going to give it another refresh here. It does take some time. There it is. Rex fund 0.1001 EOS. Now I can withdraw those EOS from the Rex fund and deposit them into my own EOS account, Send EOS to CML. So to simply do that, click the withdraw button. Again, this is still on the Get Rex page. Click withdraw. Input the amount of EOS you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw it all. Wait for scatter to pop up again. And then we will sign the transaction where we are withdrawing the EOS from the Rex fund into our own account. And there we go. EOSIO withdrawal amount .1001 EOS to send EOS to CML the owner. Yes, that is what I want. Transaction success. So we go back over to the block explorer here, give this a refresh, and there it is, that .1001 EOS from the EOSIO Rex back into the send EOS to CML account. So it is a two-step process there. First, you have to sell your Rex, and when you sell your Rex, those EOS go into the EOS Rex fund, and from there you have to withdraw those EOS from the fund to your own account. So there you go, guys. That's how you sell your Rex and withdraw those EOS from Rex using Scatter and the EOS Authority Rex portal. If you do have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to drop a like. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. But that's going to do it for me for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.